Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making yet another video on SYSKA Personal Care FT006. Now the reason I'm making this video is I tried to search on YouTube this product and there is not a single video on SYSKA Personal Care, especially on this one which I bought. This is for eyebrows and sideburns and upper lip, especially used for that. So this is the box. It just arrived today. I bought it from a site Myntra. The thing is that the MRP it says is $7.99. I got it on discount for $5.99 plus taxes. 688 rupees is what I paid for this. So let's open the box and see what we got. So I opened the box and this is what we found. There is the main body of the trimmer. This is eyebrow trimmer. There is a comb, there's a cap, and it says it includes a battery which is missing. There's no battery given. They did not send the battery, I don't know why. So this is what, and then there is this is the features, and it's mentioned ideal for shaping and trimming eyebrows, quick, close and precise detail trimming, LED light for convenient use, adjustable trimming head, on off switch, and it says painless hair removal, pivoting trimming head, removable washable head, protection cap, dual precision blades. So this is the one. Another one we got is a warranty card which says you have 2 years of warranty on this product, and then there's an instruction manual like how to use it, features, care, warning, cautions. Okay, the first disappointment is there is no battery given. I don't know if they even send batteries. Alright, so let's open it and see how it works. And this is how it looks after we put the cap on it. Since the battery was not there, I used one of my batteries. So let's get started. So I've inserted the battery. We need only one single battery here. Pencil battery, not the little fat one. You need a pencil battery. One second, I'll show it to you. This is a kind of battery we're supposed to put in it, the small thin battery, and this is how we have to insert. So as you can see, there's two blades. One is small blade to work on a smaller area, and the big blade that you can work for your sideburns or forehead or upper lip. So, and there is a 2 button which is here, which works for the LED light. There's a light here. If you put one up, one second, I'll show it to you. See, there's 2 buttons. One button where the light is off but machine is working. Second button is when you put it up, the light is on and machine is working. So it doesn't sound very powerful to me, since I have tried using it on my eyebrows, but it didn't cut the whole hair. It just, kind of trim your head. It doesn't pull the hair like epilator. If you buy an epilator will pull your hair, or like the way you do threading. So this is what it is. And then another one attachment is this one. I don't know how good this works also, but I think certainly it will give you protection, and you can trim your eyebrow hair. Once it will just give you a trimming. So this is how it fixes on it. So this is how it looks. It says that we have washable head. That means not the whole body, only this part can be removed, and can be washed under the running water to just clean up the hair. But now the thing is that the reason I'm disappointed is there is no brush included to clean the hair or whatever residue on it. We cannot clean it. Second, they did not send me any battery. And third, this doesn't look very powerful to me. Means I'm okay, not very happy with it. But for 688 rupees, I think it's okay. Whereas other product like Panasonic or Philips or Brown all are about 2000 rupees. This is just 600 rupees, so I think it's okay for this price. So guys, thank you for watching. We'll meet on another video. See, I don't make a lot of videos on regular basis because I have a baby. I have an 18-month-old son and a daughter, so I don't get time to make videos. But the main reason I make video is whenever there's no product I'm looking for on YouTube and I don't find it. So for such people who want to know about the product, want to know how these kind of products work, so I made this video. So thank you for watching. Bye.